Do you ever crack your neck for a little relief? For 28-year-old Josh Hader, it was a habit he did all the time. One day, he stretched his neck and heard a loud pop, much louder than usual. Suddenly, the left side of his body went numb. He couldn't walk straight. At the hospital, doctors told him the shocking truth. That simple pop had torn an artery in his neck, leading to a major stroke. He was lucky to be alive. The force from cracking his neck was so strong, it dissected the vertebral artery, which goes to the brain. This isn't just a freak accident. It's a serious risk many people don't know about. So next time you feel that urge to crack your neck, please remember Josh's story. Gentle stretches are okay, but forceful cracking can be life. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.